Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this cute Kia Picanto 1.25 free. Now this vehicle has currently done 57,204 miles and it's finished in the colour Blue Breeze. Now this is a very lovely small hatchback, it's great for around town. It does sit nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have automatic headlights which will turn on when it goes dark, so you don't have to fiddle with the switch. In the boot you will find 255 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,010 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your stylish two-tone cloth interior. There are ice fix points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right your cruise control, as well as controls for the display in the instrument cluster. On this display here you've got access to different driving data such as your trip computer, average fuel consumption. You also have your service interval there and some vehicle and system settings. You do have your forward collision warning system, which includes autonomous emergency braking. You can also adjust different features here as well. In the centre of the dashboard you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. On the system you do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You also have USB and auxiliary inputs for connecting your own source of audio. You do have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, as well as your standard Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. This Kia Picanto does come with a reverse camera to make reversing much easier. Down below here you do have your air conditioning, which is automatic. Here you've got a 12-volt socket as well as your USB and auxiliary input. You also have two cup holders here. Here in the centre you do have your 5-speed manual gear selector. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.